In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use JavaScript in Elementor. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting out, incorporating JavaScript into your Elementor pages can enhance the interactivity and functionality of your site. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First things first, we need to access the page where you want to add your JavaScript. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and open the page using the Elementor editor. If you're already familiar with the Elementor interface, this should be straightforward. For those new to Elementor, look for the Edit with Elementor button when viewing the page in your site's Pages section. This button will take you directly to the drag-and-drop editor interface. Once you're in the Elementor editor, have a look around your page sections until you find the perfect spot to add your JavaScript. Now, what we need to introduce is the HTML widget. On the left-hand panel, type HTML in the search bar at the top of the widget panel. You'll see the HTML widget pop up instantly. This widget is versatile, allowing us to insert custom code, be it HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, into our pages. When you found it, simply drag and drop that HTML widget into the desired section of your page. You can place it within existing sections or create a new one if needed. It's very intuitive, just like placing any other widget. Drag, drop, and you're ready to go. Now, let's get into the code part. In the HTML widget, you'll see a large box where you can type or paste code directly. Here, you'll want to paste your JavaScript code. But don't just paste the raw JavaScript, it must be wrapped in HTML script tags. So, make sure you're using the tags at the beginning and end of your code. This is crucial for the correct interpretation and execution of your JavaScript. Once you've pasted your code, double-check everything for accuracy. It's always a good idea to ensure there aren't any missing characters or any syntax errors that could prevent the JavaScript from running. After you've got everything in place, click the Update button located at the bottom of the left panel in Elementor. This will save your changes and apply them to your live site. It's an essential step to make sure your code is live and operational. Now that you've updated your page, it's time to take a look at the front end of your site. Click on the eye icon or navigate directly through the main site link to view the changes in action. This is your chance to ensure that the script is running correctly and interacting with your page as expected. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use JavaScript within Elementor. This skill is incredibly handy for adding custom functionalities and taking your website's interactivity to the next level. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.